Hi, I'm going to show you shell-clad. This is an adapter clip designed to allow you to attach display graphics to the walls of an exhibition shell scheme without gaps in between. So we have a shell scheme here. This is a 3 metre wide by 2 metre deep L-shaped shell scheme. This is an Octanorm system. There's plenty of different shell schemes on the market, but actually only 2 main types of adapter clip which are designed to fit those various shell schemes. So what we have here is the black coloured shell scheme adapter. It's very simple. It's a T-shaped profile, has a slight arrowhead on the end of it, and on the other side of it, the facing side is Velcro. And what we've got is a series of these adapters and a series of rollable display graphic panels. These panels have been printed onto a heavyweight rollable polyester film, and then they've been laminated with a scratch resistant finish film. But you can produce panels onto different kinds of heavyweight graphic material, or even materials like foamex board can be used for these graphic panels in a suitable thickness. Albeit, a rigid foamex panel is going to be a lot more inconvenient to transport when compared to something that can be rolled up like this. It's worth noting that the manufacturers of shell-clad adapter clip also provide a backing material called magi-clad. That's a 4mm thick product which can be bonded onto the back of a rollable panel like this. And the benefit of using that material is it's going to give the panels greater rigidity. Unfortunately, that also adds to the cost significantly, which is why lots of customers who buy adapter clips from us have the standard rollable panels, such as this, just to keep costs affordable, really. So, the first thing we'll do is go through the process of attaching the adapter clips to the shell scheme. I've already organised the relevant rollable panels, so I know which panels go in where. Generally, when we produce sets of panels like this, we'll normally label them up, so when you get to your show or your exhibition, you're not having to rearrange them and figure out which panels go in where while they're on the floor of your exhibition while the setup's going on. So I'll just grab my ladders. It's worth having some ladders like this. Otherwise, it's a bit of a stretch to reach to the top of the posts. So, these shell scheme posts, as with most shell scheme posts, are 2.5 metres tall. The adapter clips are made in 800mm long sections. So, you have 3 sections of clip that attach to each post of the stand. To attach them, push fit the adapter on and it should clip into place. You can hear it when it clips on because it makes quite a positive kind of snapping sort of sound as it goes on there. These adapter clips can also be reused, and to remove them you will squeeze the adapter clip in. They're a relatively tight fit and you can pop them back out. So if you're going to do several exhibitions a year and you're going to have shell schemes, you only buy the clips really one time. You can reuse them. It's worth pointing out actually that the infill panels that we have in this system, these are just printed panels that we've produced ourselves onto foamex board. These have been slotted down in between the posts of the stand, and the beam at the top and the bottom sandwiches those in place. Normally when you attend an exhibition, these infill panels would already be there as a part of the shell scheme. albeit they're normally just a plain white colour. Sometimes you find also that these panels can be covered in fabric coverings on occasion, you know. Okay, so that's the T-shaped adapters in place. Now this is an L-shaped stand, and what we've got here for the corners of the stand is a slightly different adapter clip. It's a standard T-shaped profile, and then what we have is a 90-degree return which is attached to that. What this means is, with an octagonal shaped profile like this, the adapter clip is going to go onto the 45-degree slot of the post, but it's still going to give us an area for the graphic panels to run into 90 degrees in the corner of the stand. So that's going to allow us to go all the way around and box in the graphics without any gaps in the corner. Okay, so that's all of our clips in place. All of the T-shaped adapters are on the forward-facing slots, and in the corner we've got our special corner adapters. So now we can hang the graphic panels on the stand. And we generally find is the best way to do this is to start from the inside corner and then work your way out, hanging the panels section by section. So that's what we'll do now. So when you're hanging the rollable panels, it's best to put a little bit of tension on them in order to get them to sit as smooth as possible. Obviously, if you have the panels produced on a rigid board material, or you have them backed up with the optional magi-clad material that we can supply, there really is no need to pull any tension on the panels because they'll be braced completely flat to begin with. Okay, so that's the first panel on the stand.